A very good morning, students. In this video I am going to explain the problem number 1 on ABC, that is activity based costing. You can see the problem here. A company manufacturing two products furnishing the following data for the year. There are two products A, B. Annual output, that is output means the number of units which the company had produced, number of units. This is a total machine hours taken to complete the product, total number of purchase order and total number of setup for product A and product B. So this is the annual overhead are as follows. The annual overhead is the annual expenses. The first is volume related activity cost, that is 11 lakhs. Setup related activity cost 16 lakh 40,000. Purchase related cost 12 lakh 36,000. The total cost is 39 lakh 76,000. You are required to calculate the cost per unit of product A and product B based on ABC method, activity based costing method. Now for your understanding, I am solving the problem for both traditional method as well as ABC method. First is traditional method, traditional cost method. So you can make a note here. In traditional costing method, base is machine hour or labor hour. In traditional method, the base is machine hours or labor hours. So in traditional cost method, the base is the machine hours or labor hours. First we'll solve the problem. We have to find out machine rate per hour. Machine rate per hour equals to total overhead divided by total machine hours. As it said, you can see here for traditional method the base is machine hours or labor hours. The base is here total machine hours. We can see the total overhead here. The total overhead is 39 lakh 76,000, that is total expenses. 39 lakhs 76,000 divided by the total machine hours. The base is total machine hours. You can see the total machine hours is 2 lakh 80,000. 2 lakh 80,000 equals to, there comes here 14.20 means 14 rupees 20 paise per hour. So this is a machine rate per hour, 14.20 per hour. Now we have to solve the statement showing overhead under traditional method. So this traditional method they will not ask for exam, they ask only to solve the problem on ABC cost, but this traditional method is for your understanding purpose. You can insert the column. First is particulars. This is product A and product B. So for product A, the total output here is, total machine hours is 40,000, and for B total machine hours is 2,40,000. But machine rate per hour is 14.20. You can write here 40,000 into 14.20, that is machine rate per hour into machine hours, is 5,68,000. For B, the total machine hours is 2,40,000. Machine rate per hour is 14.20. The total is 34,08,000. 34,08,000. You can make a total cost here. Total cost same, 5,68,000. Next 34,08,000. So we have to divide it by number of units. Divide by number of units. Number of units means number of output. You can see in the problem the total output is 1,30,000. For product A 10,000, for product B 1,20,000. That is the output, means number of units. 10,000. Next 1,20,000. That is total cost divided by number of units. Now we can see cost per unit. That is 5,68,000 divided by 10,000, that is 56.80. Next 34,08,000 divided by 1,20,000, that is cost per unit is 28.40. So this is how we are going to solve the problem on traditional basis. So for traditional basis, the base is machine hours or labor hours. Now we'll solve the problem on ABC method. ABC method. For ABC method, first and foremost we have to calculate the cost drivers, the rate of a cost driver. The first is cost of volume activity or volume activity cost equals to total volume related activity, total volume related activity you can see here, for volume related activity the base is total machine hours. Base is total machine hours. What is the cost of volume related activity? 11 lakhs. Therefore 11 lakhs divided by 2,80,000. We will get cost of volume activity per hour. Total machine hours equals to total volume related activity is 11 lakhs, means total overhead, divided by total machine hours is 2,80,000 equals to 3.93 is the cost of volume activity. The next is cost per setup. Cost per setup equals to total setup cost. Total setup cost means total setup overhead divided by number of setup. The base for setup cost is number of setup. Equals to the total setup cost is 16,40,000 divided by the number of setup is 128 equals to the cost per setup is 12,812.5. It is 12,812.5 is the cost per setup. And the third overhead is cost of purchase order. Purchase order. You can see here the cost of purchase order is purchase related cost is 12,36,000. The base for purchase order is total number of purchase order, that is 1088 is the base for purchase order. So cost of purchase order equals to total purchase cost divided by number of purchase order. Number of purchase order equals to the total purchase cost is 12,36,000 divided by the total number of purchase order is 1088. It equals to 1,136.02. This is the cost of purchase order, means cost of per purchase order. Now we are going to write the statement showing overhead cost under ABC, activity based costing method. First is particulars, next product A and B. So first and foremost thing is volume related activity. Volume related activity, you can see here for A, volume related activity per cost is 3.93, right? And the total machine hours is 40,000 for A and 2,40,000 for B. Therefore, volume related activity for A equals to 40,000 multiplies with 3.93, that is per volume related activity. Here comes to 1,57,200. Next for B, same way 2,40,000 multiplies with 3.93. Therefore, the cost is 9,43,200. The next activity is setup related cost activity. Setup related cost activity. For setup related cost activity, for A, you need to identify the number of setups. For a total number of setup, for A is 40, for B is 88, and per setup we already found here, per setup is 12,812.5. that is, for A, number of setup is 40, which is multiplies with 12,812.5. Here comes to 5,12,500. For B, the same way, number of setup is 88, which is multiplies with 12,812.5. So it here comes to 11,27,500. And the third one is, third cost activity is purchase related cost. Purchase related cost activity. Purchase related cost activity. For A, purchase related cost, you need to identify the purchase order. Total number of purchase order for A is 320, for B is 768, and per purchase order is, cost per purchase order is 1136.02. For A, 320, which is multiplies with 1136.02. Here comes to 3,63,526. Next, for B, 768 is the total number of purchase order, 768. Per purchase order is 1136.02 per purchase order. Therefore, the total is 8,72,463. Now we can make a total cost here. Total cost, we have only 3 activities here. The total cost will be 10,33,226 for product A. The total cost for product B, 29,43,163 for a product B, which is divided by number of units. Number of units. The number of units and number of output is same. The total number of units of product A is 10,000. For product B is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Now we have to find out cost per unit. Therefore, divided total cost divided by number of units, that is 10,33,226 divided by 10,000, it is 103.32 cost per unit. Next, rupees 24.52 for product B. This is the cost per unit under ABC costing. Thank you.